All right, so this is a 2018 Hyundai Elantra SE. It's also an Echo in the sport version of it, even though it doesn't say sport on the bottom. I've been having a thermostat issue. Apparently, my car has been overheating when you're in a red light or you're a complete stop with the engine running. Then when you accelerate, the needle goes back down, and then it suddenly just goes up again. So I'm guessing is the thermostat. I did change the coolant temperature sensor, and it kept doing the same thing. And apparently it's actually not as hard to get out the old thermostat, and I thought it was complicated, but it's not. So this is the front view of my Hyundai, and this is a 2018, and the thermostat is actually right below the alternator. If you can see it there a little bit, you see the gap with the water coming in right in there. I'm gonna turn the camera over so you can see it, and it's right there. That's where the thermostat goes. See those two screws? It's simple if you have the right tools, and it should be easy to get off. This is the hose that goes with it. On the end of it, there's a little clip right here. You press on it and you can pull it out. It's a little bit hard. I actually did it with the engine a little bit hot, which is, I kind of burn a little bit, but it's not as bad. So I'm putting in the new one now, right in there. This is the old one. That's what the old thermostat looks like, the original one that came with it. You can see the logo of Hyundai and Kia right there. And that's what the original thermostat looks like. This is the new one. Right here, the factory condition. I was able to find it for $100. They're a little bit pricey. If you go on Amazon, they're like about $200. See, original brand, same logo, Hyundai, Kia. This is brand new, factory made. This is an OEM part for $100, $97 plus tax, like $105 flat. And that, my friend, goes in like this. That's how it goes in there. Put the two screws aligned with it, and that's it. Make sure it's tightening up. Put the hose right on this section right here, this right here, and you're good to go. And that's how you replace a thermostat on a 2018 Hyundai. The 16 valve engine, 2.0 liter. It's a 2-liter engine. And that's how it goes.